see? You get daddy. Whoa, it's slippery. Slippery. He slipped. He wants to get you. You got him. Oh, your brush his hair. Remember, it kind of hurts his head. Good job being soft. Alright. Just hold his shirt. Let's get him balanced. There we go. Let's go, Bubba. He's gonna get you, Mace. Go get her. Go get her. I'm just holding his shirt now. Whoa, it's slippery. Take your socks off. Slippery socks. There you go, Bubba. Oh, goodness. He goes forward more than backwards. Like if I'm holding on him. Simon, he's coming. He found you.